Hello. I don't know if this will be of huge interest to people, but I wanted to sort out my new coloured pencil case that I got in my recent Temu art haul. One viewer suggested taking off the wrist strap and attaching it to all three zips because it's got this little clip on it. And I've done that and it's a great idea, so thank you very much for that. I roughly threw in the colour pencils into some kind of colour order per page, but what I want to do is swatch them out and make sure that I'm really happy with the order, and also make a swatch chart to go with the pencil case so that whenever I'm using it I can prop it up and go to exactly the right colour straight away. Up until last week when I got this pencil case, I just stored all of these pencils in a plant pot, which looked pretty on my desk but wasn't very practical for getting the right colour out quickly. So I'm going to swatch out the colours as they are now, make the adjustments, and then make my proper colour chart. So after doing some scribbly workings out, I've got the first two sides into an order that I like. I'm just swatching them onto smooth copier paper, and I've decided to make a booklet so that it exactly copies the pages. It starts partway down on the first page because I've got this space in my pencil case. It's going to hold my Caran D'Ache Luminance pencils, which I've got the majority of, and a few additional pencils from Holbein, Don't Light Fast and other ranges. Where there is just a colour name and number, then that means it's a Caran D'Ache Luminance pencil. So that's my neon colours, whites and yellows. I'm pressing as hard as I can to try and get solid colour on this side, and then pretty much as light as I can on this far side here. So that's my first sheet. I think a couple of these could have done with being in different places, but that will do the job for me to find my way around them much better now. And there they are in my folder. I'm going to do the same again now for the browns and the purples next. had a few spare spaces and I decided to use them so that I could separate some of the colour groupings where you have different percentages. I like this paper system as well because it pretty much matches up space-wise with the actual pencils. And next up, I'm going to be swatching my blacks, cool greys and purples. There we are then, that's all of my warm greys, cool greys, browns and purples. And here they are in my folder. So let's crack on now with the blues. And then we've got the more green leaning turquoises and the rest of the greens. Okay, so it's all organised and done now, and I'm pretty happy with it, although it is a bit tricky getting some of the colours in a nice order when there's varying shades and depth of colour. So I've made my swatch sheets into this booklet now, which replicates the different leaves in the pencil case. I moved a couple of the greens around from when I was swatching. So yeah, overall I'm really happy with that. I think that'll be much more usable. If you made it through all of this video, you definitely deserve a medal. I'm not sure if it is going to be of use to anybody, but I thought seeing as I was doing it, I might as well video it just in case. Thanks ever so much for joining me. Bye.